How much po ang makuha na cash payment ni primary beneficiaries, secondary beneficiaries, or legal heirs if namatay si GSIS member? 15 years of PPP or less than 15 years of PPP? Answer, unang-una friends, ang sagot natin ay hindi personal opinion. Disclaimer po, ang sagot natin ay based po sa nabasa natin sa GSIS brochure. So nag-research po tayo at ito po yung sagot. Page 15 po, survivorship benefits. Yes, friends, may matanggap si primary beneficiaries, secondary beneficiaries, or legal heirs. Ito po, died in active service and has rendered at least 15 years of PPP. So may 15 years na PPP si GSIS member or more than 15 years, tapos namatay po, may ma-receive po si primary beneficiaries. By the way, si primary beneficiaries ay asawa po at mga anak ng namatay. So, may matanggap na cash payment si wife or legal spouse 18 times basic monthly pension. For example, may basic monthly pension si GSIS member na namatay, 30,000. Simply multiply by 18. So 30,000 times 18, 540,000 po ang ma-receive na cash payment ni legal spouse or primary beneficiary. And merong basic survivorship pension. Lifetime po ito kay legal spouse, 50% of members BMP or basic monthly pension. So, yung example natin kanina, 30,000 yung basic monthly pension, 50% of that, 15,000 po. On the other hand, ang mga anak na minor age, 18 years or below, meron silang 10% dependence pension. Ayan po. So, 30,000 times 10%, 3,000 po ang sa kanila. Each child. So, up to 5 children po ang pwede sa dependent pension. Opo, up to 5 children na minor age. So, tag 3,000 each po sila. Sa secondary beneficiary naman, if in case na wala siyang primary beneficiary, in the absence of primary beneficiary, wala siyang asawa, wala siyang anak, single siya, in other words, may matanggap po ang secondary beneficiary na basic monthly pension times 18 months, which is, yung example natin kanina, 30,000 times 18, 540,000. So, sino po yung secondary beneficiary? Yung parents ng namatay. Yung mama or papa. Or kung walang parents na, yung mga kapatid, siblings. Ayan po. Legal heirs. In the absence of primary beneficiaries and secondary beneficiaries, wala pong asawa, walang anak, wala pong parents, walang siblings, pero may legal heirs siya, like pinsan, merong matanggap na cash payment 18 times basic monthly pension, which is 540,000. Ayan po. Another example, died in active service and has rendered less than 15 years of PPP. So less than 15 years na PPP like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, 14 years, and then namatay si GSIS member, may ma-receive po si primary beneficiaries. 100% average monthly compensation times PPP. So for example, meron siyang average monthly compensation na 30,000 again times PPP. So kung ilang years siya na may GSIS contribution, i-multiply niyo lang po. For example, 10 years po yung PPP niya. Simply multiply 30,000 times 10 years is equal to 300,000. Yan po ang cash payment na ma-receive ni primary beneficiaries. Ayan po. So for example, 3 years lang po ang PPP, i-multiply niyo lang po ang 30,000 times 3 years. So kung 5 years naman, 30,000 times 5. Kung 6 years, 30,000 times 6. Yan na po ang formula sa pagkuha ng cash payment if namatay si GSIS member na less than 15 years of PPP. Ayan po. Hope na nasagot natin ang question ni Sir. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.